Okay, so hey y'all. So as y'all can tell from the title, this is another entrepreneur video. I think this is number 7. I think this is number 7. So I am sold out of my pineapple lip scrub and my strawberry lip scrub. So what I'm about to do, obviously, is make some more, and I decided to show y'all me doing that because my last lip scrub video actually did really good. So yeah, it's very obvious that the people like the pineapple and the strawberry lip scrubs, so I'm gonna keep those coming. I don't think I'm gonna bring back the grape lip scrub when that sells out. I don't think I'm gonna bring that one back, and I'm not too sure about the blueberry. I think I'm gonna keep the orange one, but I'm not too sure about the blueberry one. I may keep that one, I may not. If y'all can hear like the air noise, I have my heater going. Every time I turn on the heat in the house, my grandma got something to say, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just bring out my heater because I be cold in my room. Like, she literally has the AC on and it's on 60. It's cold. So if y'all can hear that noise, excuse it, I'm sorry, but I'm freezing up in here, okay? But yeah, so that's that. I think that I'm going to do a cotton candy lip scrub. I'm not sure what else. I'm gonna definitely bring another one. Like, I'm gonna make 2 new ones. So one will replace the grape one, and then the other one will probably replace the blueberry one. So yeah, I'm gonna be ordering that stuff most likely tonight. If you haven't watched my inventory haul, make sure you check that out and y'all can see everything that I bought. So I have my cups right here, my containers for my lip scrub. All right, so if you're new here, these are the size of the lip scrubs. It looks small, but I promise y'all, when you're using the lip scrub, you only need a little bit. It goes a very long way. So this is the perfect size for the lip scrubs that I sell. So this is how it will come, just like this. So I'm gonna take my coconut oil. I got this from Walmart. Look like I might be needing some more soon. So y'all, when I was making the pineapple lip scrub, as y'all can see, it came out like an orange color, and I used a yellow food color. So I'm not understanding why it came out orange, but then I looked at a picture of a pineapple and they had some that were yellow and then some were like an orange color. I'm gonna add a picture so y'all can see. So, you know, it still go together, even though I really wanted to be yellow. Alright y'all, so I'm about to do like a quick packaging up clip. So I got my second wholesale order, and these are actually the empty wand tubes with the mirrors on the back. I was actually just trying to get rid of them, but I think that I'm going to keep them permanently on the site just for wholesale. So you can buy these empty tubes for wholesale. This girl ordered 20 tubes, and I actually have 30 tubes left on the site right now. So if you're interested, I don't know, by the time this video goes, they might be sold out, but if they're still up, then if you're interested, click the link in the description box and take you to the website and go ahead and purchase these tubes. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and package this order up. Y'all, I love packaging up wholesale orders now. It's my second one, and I'm just having fun with it. Like, it's so pretty. So y'all, it's kind of obvious. Your girl needs some bigger boxes, so I'm gonna order some most likely tonight. So when I do get another big order like this, I'll have a bigger box so that it won't be like, you know, coming up. So what I'm gonna do is tape the sides, of course, so it could just stay down. All right, so now it is closed up. It's not gonna come undone. So now, just to be even more on the safe side, I'm gonna take my bubble wrap and wrap the package up. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 10K subscribers. We're getting really close to 5K, so please support me and subscribe. I will greatly appreciate it. And make sure y'all shop. Y'all, this kind of wrapped up ugly, but it's wrapped up. It's wrapped up. That's all that matters. So now what I'm gonna do is put it in the actual package. So I got the packaging slip printed out. Now I'm about to go ahead and print out the shipping label. I got it all packaged up, made it work. Now I'm about to go ahead and take this to the post office right now.